One.
Hi, I'm Don Varney of Varney Speaks, and today we're going to talk a little bit about something that's called your desire. You know, an awful lot of times we think we want something badly, but when it's all said and done, we get distracted. We start finding ways not to do it. I'll use sports as a perfect example. The young boy that says, you know, I want to play in the NFL. I want to go and be that level. I want to be a running back, and I'm going to play for this team. Well, they have that desire. They have that dream. But then you talk to them when they're 16 and you go, how's the training going? And they go, what training? The fact that they're not willing to pay the price, the fact that they're not willing to go through the pain to develop their speed, to develop their cuts, to develop the things that they'll need to do to become a running back in the NFL. You know, one of the things that we don't think about is that in high school there's generally one or two stars. Well, it's that one or two stars that get to go to the next level and play college ball. So when you go to college, what's happening? Now all of you were the one or two stars, but now there's only going to be a handful of stars on each team. And out of that handful of stars, there's only going to be a few positions available in the NFL. So you know, if you're not willing to pay the price, if you're not willing to make your circumstances change, if you're not really wanting it bad enough, you're going to have to just say, it was a good dream, but it'll never become a reality. But on the other hand, if you do, if you have that fire in your belly, that desire to make it happen, you're going to find a way to get it done. And when it's all said, there's going to be a reality that forms around your commitment to succeed. You're going to find time. You're going to put it into your day-to-day schedule, and nothing will change you from doing the things that you are going to need to do. You know, desire is one thing, goals are another, but then doing the time, doing what it takes, making a change in your life is truly the key to change and how you go about getting that desire. And again, this is Don Varney of Varney Speaks. I'm here to tell you that I'm looking forward to helping you on a regular basis do the things necessary to make the changes in your life to reality, to bring out that champion in you and teach you the life principles to get you there.